Hey guys, so, iQOO Z1 5G has finally gone official in China, after being the part of several leaks and speculations. The iQOO Z1 has a 6.57-inch IPS LCD screen, with a punch hole at the upper right corner. The HDR10 compliant display supports DCI-P3 color gamut, and produces a full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, along with a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz. The smartphone boots with iQOO UI 1.0 flavored Android 10 OS. iQOO claims that more than 100,000 apps are optimized to work with 144 Hz display. Even some of the games have been optimized to support the highest refresh rate on the device. For enhanced gaming experience, the Z1 offers users with 5 customized sound effects. The iQOO Z1 is driven by the Dimensity 1000 Plus, that went official earlier this month. The 7nm chipset is an updated version of the Dimensity 1000 SoC, that was announced back in November 2019. The octa-core processor comprises of 4 Cortex-A77 CPU cores, and 4 Cortex-A55 cores, along with Mali G77MP graphics. The new chipset brings support for 5G connectivity on both SIM slots of the iQOO Z1. As far as Antutu scores are concerned, the Z1 recorded 536,683 points on the benchmarking platform. The iQOO Z1 is equipped with up to 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and UFS 3.1 storage of up to 256 GB. The handset does not feature a micro SD card slot. iQOO Z1 sports a 4500 mAh battery along with 44 watts Vivo flash charge, via Type-C. The device can be juiced up from 0 to 50% in just 23 minutes. The device also comes with NFC for payments. The iQOO Z1 is also packed with a cooling system to keep the device under intense gaming sessions. iQOO calls it Cooling Turbo. The iQOO Z1 has a frontal shooter of 16 megapixel. The back panel of the phone has a triple camera system that includes a 48-megapixel main lens, a 112-degree 8-megapixel ultrawide sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro shooter, with 4 cm focal length. Some of the camera capabilities of the smartphone include Hyper HDR, human eye tracking, low light, and ultrawide photography, 4K video shooting, and 1080p slow-motion video recording. The iQOO Z1 comes with connectivity features like dual SIM slot, 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, GPS, USB-C, and 3.5mm audio jack. The smartphone can connect to Wi-Fi 6 and 5G networks simultaneously. The device comes with dual 5G SIM support with carrier aggregation, along with the proprietary 5G Ultra-Save power-saving technology. The battery efficiency of the chipset is supposed to be better than the Snapdragon 865 5G, as it comes with power-saving technology, and an integrated modem. For audiophiles, the phone features dual stereo speakers and a smart PA amplifier. Lastly, it possesses a side-facing fingerprint scanner. The iQOO Z1 smartphone comes in 3 color options such as Space Blue, Galaxy Silver, and Symphony Meteor. Currently, the device is available only in China. And these are the prices of all the different variants. Color options include black and blue. There is no word on the availability of the iQOO Z1 outside of China. The pre-sale of the smartphone begins from this afternoon, through Vivo China's online store in the home market. Other Chinese retailers will carry out the pre-sales of the Z1 from May 25. The first sale of the phone will be carried out on June 1 in China. So, that's it for this video. What's your opinion on the specifications and pricing of the iQOO Z1? Share your thoughts by posting comments below.